Okay, in today's video, I'm going to install a custom ROM on this Galaxy A9. I'm actually going to install a GSI for the first time, actually. That's honestly surprising that I didn't do a GSI before, and I just downloaded the custom recovery. Let me just take my USB cable. This laptop is fucking large. Like, it's large. I have to walk around the table to connect stuff. And I'm recording on the goddamn ultra wide camera to even fit the keyboard. Large. Okay. Let me just. I enable dev options. Snapdragon 660. Okay, I have to do this factory reset because Samsung just demands it. I don't know why. It's probably for security and for discouraging it, and more importantly, if it's not reloading, and let me just make a cut right about here. Okay. So I unlocked the bootloader on my A9. Now it's unlocked. As you can see, let me just reboot into download mode by holding the volume down and the power button. I'm actually downloading the Android 17 QPR1 GSI. Yes, you heard me right. The Android 12, not 12, 17 QPR. KG status checking 12.0.0. FRP lock off, OEM lock off. Now I just flash it, I guess. Let me just do something known as dark magic, aka Odin. It ain't dark magic. If I can just find my Odin, I'm blind as fuck. Oh, there it is. And more importantly, Odin 3.13. That, 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 that. Holy shit. It's boom. Custom. It's doing something. I'm trying to boot into, recovery. I'm holding the power up button. God damn it. God damn it. I failed that miserably. Miserably. Holy shit, can I even talk or something? I can't even say miserable. And more importantly, I just uploaded a video when I'm making this. Sorry for the delays. It's life. It's life doing life things. Holy shit. How's the warranty 0x0 even though I just flashed it? It should be like 0x1 because I just did some nefarious shit. Pass. Let me just actually look up what you do to actually go into recovery on the A9. Nana Galaxy. I'm learning with you guys right now. This video is gonna be pretty long, and I'm recover. Yeah, volume up, Bixby. Oh, oh, I forgot there's a Bixby button. Set warranty bit. Kabare. Yep. Yay. 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 Yay, I guess. And how's it? Shook. Let me actually check up on my download over here. What? It's still downloading stuff over here. And it's refusing to show the goddamn, you know, progress. And more importantly, let me just actually make a cut because I'm dragging this shit. I have the files now. Let me just connect my USB to my A9 over here. It's not connected. Let me just set it over there. Don't ask about the names. The names are already suspicious, and that's 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 that 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 holy shit, how many that's am I saying? Like, I'm saying that. Now I'll copy over the actual ROM to the phone and let it just wait. How are you doing? Bye. And more importantly, I prefer Orange Box rather than TWRP. In terms of, how flashy it looks and, just aesthetics, as the youngins call it. Holy shit. Why did I just say that? And first GSI. Failed? Invalid format. Okay, let me just try something off. Okay, let me just do something off camera. Okay, I'm currently just flashing the system.img, not the zip file, and it's actually doing its end. Let's just do its thing. Go back, BB meta, render. That's okay. It's successful. Let me just do that. Do that. Let it just do the thing. Okay, I guess. Custom kernel. I'm just doing the kernel stuff because if you don't do it, it will probably won't boot because that's how it works. Someone that's actually smart, please explain it to my little dumb brain, and it's just doing the thing. Let it. I mean, it technically was successful, but okay. Okay, that's not successful. Let it try to boot. Custom, that's good. Set 1-bit kernel custom. Oh. Let me try this again with a different method, aka don't be dumb. Let me just forcefully reboot it back into recovery. Now that set 1-bit kernel. Let me make another cut over here. Okay. Uh, I give up. I give up installing a GSI. I'm just going to install a ROM for this phone called stock optimized. God damn it. And more importantly, if I'm remembering this right, I tried a Android 17 ROM, I tried a Android 16 Lineage OS ROM, I tried a Pixel Experience Android 12 ROM, and all those didn't work. Let me just actually zoom into my phone so you see it better actually. More importantly, if you just, matching the system image unconditional. Ananas, you're going to watch this with me. So no skipping ahead or just clicking off or just, doing something. Attaching the vendor. We are done. Announcing system. Repackaging. Thank God, thank God, thank God. Now I'll just flash the stock ROM back once I finish this. Reboot system. Thank God. It's now actually booting. Samsung Galaxy A9, secured by Knox, custom set 1-bit kernel. Yippee, it's actually doing something. This was really slow, honestly, but it's doing something at least. Like, it ain't stuck on a screen or doing some bullshit. Let it just, let it just do its thing. Let it just do its thing. Samsung, Smaznok, Shmashnok, Shmashnok, Shmasnok, Shmlanok, 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 Shmlanok. Da 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 bam bam. Are you still here, or did you just click off or something? Let me actually show you something over here. Is this laptop big or just slightly small? This is on the bigger than my Dell Inspiron 3530. And more importantly, how's your guinea pigs doing? Elite bow knowledge, if you know it. I mean, that's common bow knowledge. More importantly, This is taking a a wow. Let's just do the Samsung thing, aka load forward for an eternity and just do some stupid shit like boot looping or just bricking entirely. Cough LGB30 LGB30 LG Optimus LTE2. And more importantly, if you just look at it's just loading, just wait. Please don't click off. Place your phone on a tape. Just place your phone somewhere else and just do something, okay? Just don't click off yet. Holy shit, this video's been on for like 16 minutes, 60. Damn, damn so, damn so.